Welcome to the French Made Easy podcast, where I give you all the basics you need to speak French clearly and confidently. I'm your host, Mathilde, and I'm a French teacher, mompreneur, and bread and cheese lover. Join me as I dive into all things French for beginners and deliver to you bite-sized, easy-to-follow lessons every Tuesday. Let's get started. On commence. Bonjour à tous. Welcome back to the French Made Easy podcast. Thanks for joining me here. This is episode number 34, numéro 34. In this lesson, you'll be learning how to use the French verb vouloir, which means to want, in the present tense. I'll first share with you the conjugation of the verb, then I'll give you some examples. As usual, make sure you download your lessons cheat sheet. It's free. After the lesson, time to practice. Head over to the French Made Easy library where you can download your lessons exercises and it's also free. Vous êtes prêts? Are you ready? On y va. Alright, so quickly, why should you learn the verb vouloir? Well, if you've been following the podcast for a while, you probably know what I'm going to say next. This is an important verb and it's irregular, so please learn it by heart. That's it. No, seriously, lots of students get confused with the conjugation of the verbs pouvoir, that we've seen in episode 31, vouloir, devoir, and savoir. So that's why I want you to learn by heart the conjugation of these four verbs. For now, let's see the conjugation in the present tense of the French verb vouloir, to want. Donc, répétez après moi. Repeat after me. Je veux. I want. Je veux. Je veux. Tu veux. You want. Singular informal. Tu veux. Tu veux. Il veut. He wants. Il veut. Il veut. Elle veut. She wants. Elle veut. Elle veut. On veut. We want. Informal. On veut. On veut. Nous voulons. We want. Formal. Nous voulons. Nous voulons. Vous voulez. You want. Singular formal or plural. Vous voulez. Vous voulez. Ils veulent. They want. Masculine. Ils veulent. Ils veulent. Elles veulent. They want. Feminine. Elles veulent. Elles veulent. Okay, super. Now a bit of pronunciation here. If you look at the cheat sheet or the transcript, the letters that I've underlined here are silent. So, don't pronounce the X, don't pronounce the T, don't pronounce the S, and don't pronounce the ENT. Attention, that doesn't mean that they're always silent, but if you need to know more about it, check out my course, French Pronunciation Kickstarter, where I explain when and when not to pronounce the final consonants. Très bien. Now let's see some examples of the French verb vouloir conjugated in the present tense. And don't forget to repeat after me. Je ne veux pas travailler aujourd'hui. I don't want to work today. Je ne veux pas travailler aujourd'hui. Je ne veux pas travailler aujourd'hui. Here, you've got an example of the negation. I'm adding ne before the conjugated verb, and I'm adding pas right after it. Okay, next one. Tu veux du chocolat? Do you want some chocolate? Tu veux du chocolat? Tu veux du chocolat? Il veut sortir ce week-end. He wants to go out this weekend. Il veut sortir ce week-end. Il veut sortir ce week-end. Elle veut apprendre le français. She wants to learn French. Elle veut apprendre le français. Elle veut apprendre le français. On veut manger une raclette ce soir. We want to eat a raclette tonight. On veut manger une raclette ce soir. On veut manger une raclette ce soir. Nous voulons acheter une nouvelle télé. We want to buy a new TV. Nous voulons acheter une nouvelle télé. Nous voulons acheter une nouvelle télé. Vous voulez aller au cinéma demain? Do you want to go see a movie tomorrow? Vous voulez aller au cinéma demain? Vous voulez aller au cinéma demain? Ils veulent partir en vacances. They want to go on holidays. Ils veulent partir en vacances. Ils veulent partir en vacances. Elles ne veulent pas faire leurs devoirs. They don't want to do their homework. Elles ne veulent pas faire leurs devoirs. Elles ne veulent pas faire leurs devoirs. You've got another example of the negation here, okay? The conjugated verb is between ne and pas, but we'll talk more about the negation later. Okay, super. That's pretty much it for the examples. Now, let's just recap what we've learned. So, the conjugation of vouloir in the present tense is je veux, I want. Tu veux, you want. Il veut, he wants. Elle veut, she wants. On veut, we want. Nous voulons, we want. Vous voulez, you want. Ils veulent, they want, masculine. Elles veulent, they want, feminine. Woo! On a fini la leçon d'aujourd'hui. We've finished today's lesson. If you've liked this episode, let me know and leave me a review on Apple Podcast. Now, don't forget to download your lessons exercises. Remember, it's free. All right, thanks for your time. I'll talk to you next week. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt. Hey, it's me again. Before you go, I just wanted to let you know that if you are struggling with French pronunciation, I am excited to announce my new and free beginner's audio guide. It's called 5-Step Roadmap to Effortless French Pronunciation. It's really designed to simplify your French pronunciation journey and to make it less overwhelming for you. So if you are a beginner starting or restarting to learn French and you want to improve your French pronunciation, then this audio guide is perfect for you. And obviously, you also get a transcript with the audio guide so you can follow along while you listen. So click the link inside your podcast notes to access your audio guide. It is free. À bientôt. Bye.